When I travel, I carry some with me. I carry some of soup. When you go past country, bigger state. When I travel, I carry some with me. I carry some of soup. To Alabeke, when I reach, my brother don't like their food. I don't like their workings. You know, you go past country. See, I carry I carry my soup. I begin to work out. Bigger state. I begin to jump up my brother. The Igbo people where they there, they begin to come for me. Then they say, I can do magic for them because they do wow. I gotta tell you.
Happy birthday to Bushi. Câmera HD, mano, como é que tá o tom? Vídeo lá no Snapchat.
Bigaste,